basics. So you can get any audio file. Well, I won't say any because I'm pretty sure it has to be a WAV file. I don't quote me on this, but I think it has to be. I would recommend you use one no matter what. Even if you can use a .mp3 file, I would still recommend you use a WAV file. But pretty much you can play any WAV file because you can convert them over to WAV, and you can play music, you can play your voice if you record it, and you can do whatever you want, really. So before we hop in, I just want to quickly say thank you very much, guys, for the awesome support. Again, I know I say this a lot, but I actually hit 100 subscribers since last video. I think I'm at 136 now, so been gaining subscribers like crazy, and it's pretty damn awesome. But yeah, so we're gonna hop in here, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So we're gonna grab ourselves a button. I'm gonna make it a big button just to be annoying. We're gonna rename the text to play. I did it again. There we go. Now we're gonna actually have to import our audio file, so we're gonna go to project, and it's gonna say where the name of the application is, then properties. This screen will show up. Just go down here to resources. Now make it like small screen, make your Visual Studio small screen, and just find the file you want and drag it into this white spot. There we go. Now it's imported. We can close that now. Click yes because we do want to save it. And now what we're going to do is double click our button. We're going to do my.computer.audio.play. We're going to do brackets, and then we're going to do my.resources. Whatever the name of your file is. And that's not all. We need to actually do comma, and then what type, how we want it to play. So if we want it to play in the background, or if we want it to play in the background but loop over and over and over again, or if we want it to play in the back, or if we just want it to play but wait till it's complete before it plays it again, so like it won't cut it off, it has to complete the file. We could do that. So we're just gonna click wait till complete, and that's pretty much it. So if we start the program, here we have got our button, and if we click it, it's gonna say where that file is. Hello YouTube. It says hello YouTube because that's what I recorded earlier, and it's a .wav file. You guys gotta make sure it's a .wav file. I'm almost positive it has to be, but even if you can, I'd highly recommend you use a .wav file because it's just a lot better. So just use it. And if you guys want to know how to convert MP3 files and that type of like other audio files to a WAV file, just let me know and I will make a tutorial on that. It's very easy and I can show you guys how to do it. So we can click it again. Hello YouTube. And it'll keep playing, and this ain't no, I'm not like doing any like editing or anything. This is real. I'm talking YouTube at the same time. It's real. So I ain't just saying that or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the other mode. Actually, we're gonna do background loop. Now this might get a little bit annoying, so let's just see what happens here. Hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello, and it'll just keep going and going unless we add a stop button, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. Make that one a little bit smaller. I'll just copy and paste that one and just change the text to stop. There we go. Now double click it. We're gonna do my.computer.audio audio.stop, and brackets. There we go. Now we're gonna start it up again. Hello YouTube, hello YouTube, and the stop button works. Hello YouTube, hello YouTube. There we go. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can start and stop the audio, and it works fine. So you can do that with like a song, like any song you want. Like say you just want background music in your song or in your program, and that's how you can do it. You can just make it so it starts up on the program startup or whatever. You can do whatever you want with it, and it's pretty cool. It's useful to know, and that's pretty much all I have to say. Oh, and another spot that you can use this is if you want like custom sound effects when you click your buttons. Like, say you want it to like make like some sort of chime or something like that when you click the buttons, you could do that. But yeah, that's all.